Hakalumpong bahenru pulai jong Subroto Cup International Football Tournament Araja Arpusau jogi Sub Junior Boys Under 15 kabla sedang naduk ke Santa Regunailar Araja Arpusau ke Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School ke Bandar Riboy District Meghalaya kalau yok benra ekanam kum kekunhun nong job dak Pynliem dan lai lanot ya ke Major Dhyan Chand Sports College Uttar Pradesh. Hakani ke lempong ki baya kene ya kenam ladu kilong haki lightly ki kerdan yelekai nadu ke kerdan junior boys under 17, junior girls under 17 but sub junior boys under 15. Ke Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School ke berayok man mikmat na ke jela hakate ke lempong hak arpu pratarik nailar arja arpu sau ke ni ke skul na Meghalaya ke Pynliem ya ke Major Dhyan Chand Sports College na Uttar Pradesh hak madan ke bala penyelekai ha Army Service Corps Center Bangalore Karnataka hadian bagala Pynliem ya ke kenhon na Bangladesh ke Bangladesh Krira Shiksha Pratishthan da ar laiwei hak semi final. Habayok ra ikanam kum kanong job hakate ka lempung ka Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School kala yo ek jing job dan laigo lanot persya ek Major Dhyan Chand Sports College Uttar Pradesh. Yaki lightly ki go la tap do prosper well rentong ar goal but uname ban lap nong kse shi goal. U coach jongkane ke skul uba pen kre lang nong kse ula yo ra ikanam kum u best coach haringkat ka song pisa ar pusan hajar tingka but unong up goal kane ke skul 3 silbet e sangma ula yo ra ikanam best goalkeeper haringkat ka song pisa ar pusan hajar tingka. Habaya David kani ke jing job jokate ke skul ke bana Nongjeri ke bahap apa mau hati constituency u MLA but MDC ke mau hati u bolong chairman jong ke school managing committee uba Charles Marngar ula ai Khublei yaki kena skul kum ju ru iki no hikai badu coach ya ke jing la jong ki ban job hakani ke lempung.
There we go. We are underway here at the ASC Center in Nama Bengaluru. The finals of the 63rd edition in the Subroto Cup Under 15 boys category. And both these teams will look for that early breakthrough, Rohit, given the fact that they are used to scoring a lot of goals. So I think that first goal is going to be very important.
And there you go. The opening goal has arrived. And in stunning fashion. It's Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School who has hammered home the much important opener. Talk about precision, talk about blasting through barriers. And it looks like Meghalaya means business. Saying, Ryan, absolutely goes without saying. But what a start. Take a look at this run there. A bit of a botch up because he couldn't really time that or rather capture the ball under his control. But then just one hint of danger. And look at how Meghalaya pounces upon that. Quick to spot that opening there. One good touch to get past the defender, and then boom, the pile driver, shattering 20 minutes, let's say, including the extra time. Ryan, won't you say that?
Definitely. They need to keep their nerve, and here Meghalaya will come front in that offensive side for the first time, perhaps in the second half. And they are dangerous every time they come, irrespective of weather. It's a good one, a challenge there. A slide tackle from the back. You will go into the book, my friend, for a challenge like that. Abhishek, the key defender for UP.
How will you take on this free kick, or what's your take on this free kick, brother?
I feel it's going to test the keeper. He goes for it. Straight in the hands of the goalkeeper. He doesn't collect it. And the follow-up goal is good. Meghalaya double their lead 34 minutes into the game. And that free kick has been converted. Not directly through the rebound, but they will still take it as they double their lead here in the finals.
Meghalaya continues to prosper well. That's the brace for this youngster. Once again, showing his predatory instincts, keeping a keen eye on the fares out in the box there and latching on to the delivery that mattered the most and eventually poking it from handshaking distance into the back of the net. Once again, a closer look there. The goalkeeper making a hash of affairs, and then Prosper Well right at the end of it, at the far end, just waiting for the ball to fall to him, and all he had to do was feather it home, and he does that with a smile on his face. Went from the right, they've got the ball in control, it's Bantalang eventually sends it back. This can be an opportunity, is it? Now reckon, good defending there, and eventually a miscued attempt at getting the rebound into the back of the net there. Once again, Bantalang trying to pull the strings in the absence of Prosper Well.
Again, it's Bantalang who switched up to the other side. And this is where they make it difficult for the opposition to comprehend. Here again, they come in from the left. He goes for goal, and the goal comes in. 3-0. That is the nail in the coffin, we can say. As Meghalaya score, the crowd gets in on it. And it looks like we're about to crown our champion here. I don't think they were quite napping. I think they are, in a way, already in that celebratory mode. And they deserve to be, because it's not just weeks, but I'm sure months of tireless preparation for the Subroto Cup. You play the pre-Subroto.
Meghalaya, who will be walking away with the bragging rights of the 63rd edition of Subroto Cup International Football Tournament in the Sub-Junior Boys Under-15 category.
Kalau sisa resmi kemen hadok kata ban pau Shafi Baro. Kumu Presiden Jong ke Skul Managing Committee Jong ke Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School. Ban halajuk uporo kumu local MLA MDC Jong ke Mawati Constituency. Yang ban pau sisa yang dijing so kemen ke kram. Ba ke Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School. Benda resmi kebalami keman na ke state level ke jalan Meghalaya ke bagi ke songi haga jingele final ya ke Subroto na ke sub junior under 15 boys kalau yo bankur ya ke nam jo jingjau haga national level Subroto ke balalong na resmi habang na kalian ke jonga kumu president jonga managing committee jo school but kumu local MLA na congratulate ya ke team kalau ra ya ke nam ke burung na congratulate ya ki coach ya ki team manager but kum juru ya ki baro ki official ki balalen ban sinran ya ke team ke jongi ya pen pau ke jing semua kemen ke background bakane kamlong tang ke burung nam ke school ke jongi ke Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School. Kalau ke burung ke background ya ke Kyrwoh district baru kawai. But kalau lu ke burung ya ke Jelahi baru kawai. Sesisian nak kalian ke juga. Asyik ya ke kabu. But I Khublei Kirpang. But congratulate ya ke tim ke jongi ke belawang rak ya ke nam ke burung ya ke Jelahi baru kawai. Hak cukup por ngakwa ban penpau. Bamene kapor kebangitan concession ngalayo ban telefon yo chief minister jong ke jela ke jungi ukon rak sama hag bedei bat kalet kawan ke jungi ban wan pai namar kapor bangilet ngilale de ke flight bara ke jing sisa ban wan pai ila penbet de ke train ban wan pai tendai nanu mene bangim pat ke game keempat sedang hag jingi keren ban chief minister lada ban penbok lupa the flight bakin one pai ki players ki jongi ki official ki jongi ki team manager ki coach baro ar palaingon ki badan menta Bangalore bakin one pai the flight omshu the train yang pertama bejing ai play bu kepak yo chief minister jogo jela ke jongi wat haba ke game keempat sedang ada berkula berpenbuk ki flight ticket air ticket na konta ki players ki jongi ke buram baro ngi ai Khublei alam nadu ke sedang, nadu ke district level, hadu ke state level, but menta ke national level. Ispen pau ke jing semomu ke background yang baru ke beladan menta nadu ke seng balang, nadu ke sorkar u district sports officer, but kiwei Khublei dan menta nak ke menta banon rak yang ke nam ke buram yang ke Jelahi baru kawai Kolej.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam, ka jing mat lani ka rukam syed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bhak, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.